took a while, but Rhode Island and Massachusetts are now reporting high or very high levels of the flu. Now, it's really a concern right now for health officials. We haven't even hit the peak of flu season yet. ABC 6 News anchor Olivia DeRocha picks up the story from there.
Flu activity soaring and hospital cases nearly doubling across the country, all before the peak of flu season.
So flu is rising nationally, but also, here in Rhode Island.
It feels like we're seeing a lot more flu this year than we were last year.
Two top Rhode Island medical experts, Dr. Laura Foreman with Kent Hospital and Dr. Leonard Mermel with Lifespan, say it's pretty early to see this activity already. Dr. Mermel adds this strain isn't discriminating against any age groups, primarily because of what we've all experienced over the past few years.
What's different now than last year, think about it last year. Everybody was masked up. There were masking in schools, masking at work. A lot of people were working from home. There's more large social gatherings than there were a year ago or 2 years ago. The fact that there had been very little flu around the last few years, people don't have as much immunity as they had in the past.
Most recent data from the Rhode Island Department of Health says those ages 5 to 24 are recording the most flu-like illnesses so far. The CDC estimates already this season there have been at least 8.7 million illnesses across the country.
We haven't even really seen the coldest months yet, and that's typically when we do see the highest flu, COVID activity. Is there a concern that these are just going to continue to amp up?
We're definitely concerned about it. We're bracing for what could be a very bad winter here, of the flu being as virulent, as easy to spread as it is this year, with COVID still very active, and of people being less socially distanced and less likely to mask at this point in time, with there being fewer and fewer restrictions around. We're concerned that both COVID and the flu could spread and become even more widespread this winter.
Olivia DeRocha, ABC 6 News.